Hey, I'm Rebecca, and this is Catherine, and we're gonna sing "Cough Syrup" by Young the Giant, and it's dedicated to our science professor, Mr. Thomas. Life's too short to even care at all. Losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. The world aches for the beat of a drum. Whoa, oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. Life's too short to even care at all. Coming up now out of the blue. Zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Oh, 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 oh. The road aches for the splash of the sun. Oh, oh. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run to the things they say can restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa. I'm losing my mind, losing it all. If I can find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run to the things that say can restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. In memory of Thomas the Boo Boo.